Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error 0x8024000b. For that, the first step will be a run update troubleshooter. So for that, first go to the start menu and then click on settings. Then update and security. And then click on troubleshoot. And then additional troubleshooters. And then click on Windows Update and then run the troubleshooter. Once that is complete, restart your computer and update the Windows 10. And if that doesn't work, then run these two commands. For that, type cmd, make a right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then copy the command. So these two will be on the description. Once that is 100% complete, then run the second one. Again, type cmd, make a right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Once that is 100% complete, then restart your computer and update your Windows 10. And if that doesn't work, then restart Windows Update Services. For that, type Services, Run as Administrator, then search for Windows Update. And make sure that the startup type is automatic. So this one is, and if the start option is already enabled, then please make sure that you click on that and click on Apply and then click on OK. And then make a right click and then restart the Windows Update. And if that doesn't work, then next step will be run these commands. So make a right click, click on Run as Administrator. Again, click on Yes to allow. Then they copy the command. Again, all these will be in the description. Then once this is done, then restart your computer and update the Windows 10. If that doesn't work, then the next step will be use Windows 10 Update Assistant. For that, copy the link. Again, this will be in the description. And update, and click on Update Now. And run the exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Then once that is complete, then that will allow you to update the Windows 10. If that doesn't work, the last option will be, if nothing works, then the last step will be use the same link, media creation tool. So I'm going to show you. This time click on Download tool now and run the exe file. Once you click on that, you'll see this option. Click on Select, Accept, and the Upgrade this PC now will be automatically selected. So click on Next. And once this will start, let's see. Okay, so now once this is 100% complete, then you'll see this page ready to install, and it will be automatically checked. Keep personal files and apps, so that you don't that will help not to lose your data. And click on install. So which will help your system to update the Windows 10. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment.